much love, the kids are laughing in their sleep, swimming through their dreams into the morning. So peaceful, all the stories that were told, lead them through the night back from their shadows. So much joy, every little girl and boy, even better when they wake up tomorrow. So much love in their little missing teeth, gonna miss them till we meet again in the morning. So much peace in their pitter-patter feet, any open eyes can see their minds are reaching. So much joy, I'm afraid to be swept away. Upstream there's a spring that brings in the new day. And these are the gifts we keep, and this is the morning that we breathe, that we see. These moments are the only gifts we need. Ooh.
Now could you please take a picture?
Crazy curly
Take a picture now.
you mark up here stare, smiling down from the top of the stairs. You're so sweet. Your robot picture spread around, and I swear your feet don't touch the ground. Once it starts, it don't slow down, but I don't want it to. And these are the gifts we keep, and this is the morning that we breathe, and then we see. These moments are the only gifts we need. Ooh. Gotta get home, there's a garden to tend, all the fruits on the ground. The birds have all moved back into my attic, whistled and static. When the young learn to fly, I will patch up the holes. Well, I can't believe that my laundry is done. I thought it was sleeping, I guess it got better with not being clean. And I would be too watching food in my belly and hope in my time. Crazy sweet. So I try to understand what I can hold in my hands and what I find. I'll find my way back to you. If you try to find a place, this place is hold me wherever you are, if there's love here too. The back of my house is a trail that we were walking so far, it grew back in, and now there's no trail at all. And the grass growing tall, get on my shoulder and down to the town. But I'm bound to lose, 'cause all began to crumble again. Gotta get home, there's a garden to tend, all the seeds from the fruit buried and begin their own family trees. Teach them thank you and please as they spread their own roots, then watch the young fruit grow again. this old train right back to you.
I'm soaked.
So I try to understand what I can hold in my hand, and whatever I find, I'll find my way back to you. And if you find it too, 'cause this place is overgrown, it's a waxing moon. Home is wherever we are, if there's love here too.